Keita. Salam alaikum, salam alaikum. Kati poko work at Keita, nere work at Keita. Ni pergi bene kuna ni kaya tanga video ke. Okay? We don't go near the Tara Porty house. Last time I am the one who went to the Porty house and I was making the videos. It's like I don't have a long hair. This is a wig on my hair. People are stupid and no better. They just wanna play me. You see what I mean? Then they will go show this girl. You see her? She's in a shelter with me. Whenever I come in here, they will say, "Oh, this one is European." They say I beat her and bleed her, but she doesn't have no cicatrice. Okay? This is my scare here. When they break my head and they bleed everywhere, we went to stitch in the hospital. This guy, when they have no cicatrice, then they keep saying it's her. This bitch is wanna play me. You see what I mean? I am a Urukia to get and people call me Urukia. I don't look like her. I don't look like this one. You don't look like this one. Okay? You don't look like this one. They're trying to bully shit me. You understand what I mean? They're trying to sabotage me. I don't look like her. Last time she was a urine and herself, they say I urine on myself and I wear the pampers everything. That's not true. And I'm not a disabled. I don't wear the pampers. Okay? I don't look like her. She has a dread. This is not a dread. This is a fake wig hair. Alright? They're trying to sabotage me. And we're not the same. I don't even know how I'm African. Born and raised in Africa. I'm from Mali. I speak my language. I came here when I was teenage. This is my dorm. It's a room. It's a dorm A. That's where I live. Okay? I'm not living there alone. It's a lot of people in the room over there. Different bed. That's what they're talking about. Where you live in the room A. If you live in the room, I come to domestic violence. That's not true. This is a shelter. And where I left, it was also a shelter. Okay? Where I left, it was also a shelter. In a shelter hotel, in the 3 people where we fight with a Chinese lady. Chinese woman. That bitch, she says, is a domestic violence. It's not her home. I never went there home. I live in here just like everybody. The 24 say I come to work here. I don't work in here. I live here. This is my residency. The shelter is my residency just like everybody that lives in the shelter. I'm not in here domestic violence. Okay? This is the outside of the shelter. Alright? This is the outside of the shelter. This is the outside of the shelter. Okay? That's the shelter building. When they say shelter, they say I sleep on the tray. I don't sleep on the tray. Is a liar. This is the outside of the shelter. I never sleep on the tray. On the buses. They say I be sleeping on the tray and the buses. That's not true. Je ne suis pas un ghetto. I'm not a ghetto. Je ne suis pas un crochard. Est-ce que tu comprends? Voilà. Je ne suis pas un crochard. Je n'ai jamais dormi dans le train ni dans les subways. C'est pas vrai. Je suis une femme. Je ne suis pas transgender. Est-ce que tu comprends? Je suis là avec mon grand frère Omar Bagayoko. Je suis au Rokia Keita. Est-ce que tu comprends? Quand je dis que je suis au Rokia, ils vont dire que je suis au Rokia Sissé, que j'ai un enfant qui s'appelle Aminata. Je dis que c'est pas vrai. Right? Que j'étais au quartier Mali, que j'étais en train de... Je dis que c'est pas vrai. Ne faga quartier betro ko bu ne ma de ka ko ya kelenge ka be ala yin den to ko ta Aminata. Kata Aminata babla kan ya no. 2008 when Aminata came, she was 23, I was 27. Since where it began, 27 years can never ever give a birth to 23 years old. Alright? Depuis que le monde a commencé, 27 ans ne peut jamais donner à naissance à 23 ans. Jamais, jamais de la vie. Kabira la yi dans sa mugani wolo vlog te se ka sa mugani sa babangi. Aminata nana no l'an 2008 a me sa mugan ani sa ba ne me sa mugani wolo vlog. Et si ça avait sa bi sa ba ni wolo vlog, ne be sa binani ani sa fla. Sa binani ni sa fla kabira la yi te se ka sa binani sa bi sa ba ni wolo vlog bandi. Since the one day was now Aminata is a 37, I'm 42. Since the war began, 42 cannot give a birth to 37. It's a lie. Depuis que le monde a commencé, Aminata est maintenant qu'elle... Depuis qu'elle est née, elle a 37 ans, j'ai 42 ans. Depuis que le monde a commencé, 42 ans ne peut jamais donner naissance à 37 ans. C'est impossible. C'est un autre Urukia au Mali là-bas qui a son enfant. C'est Urukia Sissé qui a son enfant Aminata. Hey, je n'ai jamais fait enfant. C'est moi qui étais en train de sortir. Ça là, c'est perruque. Ok? J'ai enlevé. J'ai toujours dit ça que mes cheveux sont coupés. Est-ce que tu comprends? elles vont sortir mun mais anu kula sini oni ne kelinye mun na justice là oni ne kelinye kan ngolo ci ko jeli bon parce que ta den do bon ka deni mu the girl that I was showing her they keep showing her and she doesn't have no skirts si tala jeli fon tala ko de tenchira ngo manga jeli fon be mi ko kenera o galu ni we ne de tenchi a jeli fon fele na ngara bo do kala ma tu parce que ka to foko jaw wer la kata galon farano ngo ko ne buso ko bay ko ni na ko den ko mene bolo ko ne den to ko aminata ngo ye galon ni ma de ka ko na yakeli mu mana galon jaw badanna I got married to Mamadou Sissoko in 2018 and I divorced in 2020. She never spent $1 on me. He never spent $1 on me. He's in France. And I counted his money, $500 and $27 bride price and give to him. I furna flobo France fa wa bidruni kem wa mugani wolo blanda ka furna folo sega makabila 2020 l'an 2022 kuma la alibi ko ka furna folo kuma ne amanshi ko la ni to mi dan ben sin fuli kono l'an 2018 ay ne furu ne ye furu sa l'an 2020 kuma ka war sega mako ka tamini donc no mo bla ka ne dara ko bo l'an 2022 nya ka furna folo sega man nya l'an 2025 o doni bitien yo sam o sam sabati ni joro ko furna folo bi ba biya de fara o mama shi ko uka furten kuna uka furna folo segiruma dente nuche madriga kona tayo foi madriga kona ni into ben simple comme quand je me suis mariée avec Mamadou Sissoko c'est moi qui porte ça là nere bendo OK wana rebe perkido ya mege nere beni don kuna nere be perkido kuna last time I went to the courthouse with the same wig here this was and I have a jewelry all right when I come in Nekelenya kuna sinimu kuna ni Nekele the last time the one that came here is not the same the last come is that's the head you act like you stupid right. You're not stupid, you bullying shit to people. Alright? Motherfucker. That's like you animal. Okay? Nere beni kelen don kuna. Okay? Nere beni kelen don kuna. I am the one who wearing the same thing in here. Alright? The other removable is not the animal skin. Fuck that bitch, I'm not the animal, I'm a human being. Motherfucker, they're trying to sabotage me. You understand what I mean? I wear all type of the clothes. Except exposing my breast outside and my butt. Okay? I don't wear the underwear or short to go outside. This I don't nete kulati donga ta kenema nte shimbla kenema kata yala nebe fuminda dongi. Okay? Nte mini jupe donte kulati do. Je ne porte pas les mini jupes, je ne porte pas kulati, je porte toutes les qualités des hommes. I don't wear short, I don't wear the very short skirt, but besides I wear every type of clothes. I'm Muslim. I Muslim. I was born Muslim. I did not convert to the religion. Alright? And this one is here. Okay? Make a fan. Bena process salon. Bena bla. Konebe shi tere kono. Konebe shi besi kono. Konebe shi luka salon kono la ko yekalu. Kabine Amérique kono. Eh, toutes les femmes des États-Unis d'Amérique, je n'ai jamais dormi dans votre maison. Jamais, 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 jamais de la vie. Toutes les propriétaires des salons de New York ici, jamais, 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 je n'ai jamais rentré mon pied dans votre maison pour dormir là-bas. C'est faux, vous avez menti, je ne pars même pas là-bas. Est-ce que tu comprends? New York est salon de vous. Ne m'a dit que ça au casso, ne t'a pas sorti. Est-ce que tu comprends? The women that own the shop in New York City, I've never been in your home, I don't even know where you put this motherfucker to lie on me. Alright? You don't like the respect, I will disrespect you. I'm no longer a child. Continue to play me. Fuck you, bitch. They be telling people I sleep on the train. I never sleep on the train. I never sleep on the bus. Alright? I never sleep on the subway station. This motherfucker. I'm not a crucial. Okay? I sleep in the shelter. When you destroy my job, whenever it destroy my job, I come to the shelter. And it's a room just like every room. And it has a bathroom. We take a shower just like every bathroom you take a shower. Just the things is not for us, it's for the government. We don't pay the rent. Since the government is in charge. So people will say that you lower class. Alright? Comme gouvernement de Basara, American government, when I say government is America, United States government, because United States is the one who paying this. Alright? They be saying that asimu be safely asimu jula. Asimu be sekara choko me kana shelter sara American kona nebe American. Be Jude Farah ko America ko be Jude Farah. Alright? Amana fo ko faso de njugu asimu nyoko faso de njugu madanji kono moko sigira mali kono no jamu keta ay kureta ka bela kelingili mori mo keta mbe ay kureta kala ne ko masoro folo ibe ka mbe ay kureta kala Est-ce que tu comprends? Ne yara ko koni che papa kata présenter. Aw willa ka kele binga namara willa ka tala jaru blay. Kasoro kana aussi ko kere kese ka ko facile juga ba ko no sa ko flow bay di barka ma wul kat manika. Bi ju fara continuer. O kuma ko som joyi. C'est-à-dire qu'il n'est pas de respect sur les autres. Est-ce que tu comprends? Yanno de Brooklyn. Il y a un Brooklyn. OK? Il y a un Brooklyn. Kata galon te ko ne be mali de ko. Abi da fasa kala be mali de ko. Al ne me malake. Al ne me malake. Em se ka mali te ka diladi. Ni moko moko ya se ke mali te ka nay bay shu de bulu. Il y a un Brooklyn. OK? This is a Brooklyn, New York. All right? HIV shelter ko ye galonye. This is a homeless shelter. This is not a HIV shelter. I don't have no HIV, motherfucker. Qu'est-ce que les gens qui ont des sida qui ont là, ils ont menti. Ce sont des gens qui n'ont pas de possibilité de payer leur loyer qui habitent ici. Ça, c'est Clifton Street 8 Avenue. Ici n'est pas shelter de HIV. This is a shelter for the lower class who don't have who lose their job. People who lose their job. Okay? People who lose their job, I just spit. Because what? When I was passing, somebody have a caca. The dog have a caca over there. Somebody walk with the dog. Okay. So I feel to vomit. Then I didn't vomit. I just spit. Okay. Otherwise, I don't spit like that. I don't like that type of shit when people having dog walking and have a caca on the street or. You understand? Okay. This is the school right here. All right. They said this shelter is for the people with the HIV. Okay? Because why? 2006, when Geneva argued with me, I never get into fight physically to beat somebody. We get argued. She say I am homosexual because she was married and her husband died, and I never got married. And I got married when I was 6 years old, but she never knew that. All right? And they never give me to the husband until my husband, when I left here to Africa, they sent me here. Before I come back, my husband died. Then I remarried to different people. I started remarrying to GB, then remarrying to different people. I get married to GB in 2011 and divorced in 2014 and getting married to American mix. He's in Illinois. He never come to New York. He doesn't live in this shelter. They bring in white men and it's a shelter here, homosexual men, and say is a because I say my husband is male. I am in a shelter. After I divorced this white mixed child, I get married with Mamadou Sissoko. Is in France. He's African from Mali, just like me. After that, I'm not married. All right? These people are bullying motherfucker bullying shit game. Fuck career. Since when I moved back to Illinois, New York, to New York here, they keep showing people I didn't furula. Ni mo ko furulente. I divorced in 2020. Nyen furu sa 2020 katanga furu na furu sa 2020. Ni mo ko furula. Je suis célibataire. I'm single. When you divorce and give the bride price, you're not married anymore. Alright? Quand je suis divorcée et remboursé le prix de la dette, je ne suis plus mariée. Depuis en 2020, j'ai divorcé. 2022, j'ai remboursé. Je suis célibataire comme toutes les femmes célibataires. Je continue de poursuivre pour montrer les hommes que c'est mon homme. Mais ce n'est pas mon homme. On ne se connaît même pas. Les bâtards que vous êtes. Ce sont des saboteurs. Est-ce que tu comprends? Ça là, c'est American Legend. Vous avez vu ça? Ok? Que ce sont des gens qui ont des HIV, parce que Geneva, là, que je dis que Geneva, Ouattara, en l'an 2006, à 8th Avenue in Harlem, New York, Frederick Douglass, it's not in a shelter, it was in a to Compaore hair salon. Okay? To Compaore hair braiding shop in a Frederick Douglass. This is not a Frederick Douglass 8th Avenue, this is a 15th Street, Brooklyn, New York. This motherfucker say Geneva house is here. Geneva I've never been in Geneva home. Geneva never was the shop owner. She's a bitch. Alright? Enough is enough, alright? Geneva is not my mother. She's only 4 years older than me. That acting like a Geneva is the one who pregnancy my mother. Fuck career, what type of value Geneva have than other people. Alright? And when I say she has HIV in 2006, these people never come here. They come here, people tell them, they keep saying that. They say people who live in the shelter have HIV. Geneva is the one with HIV. I never have HIV. Okay? I never have a chronic disease. Only have an handicap. Fuck you, bitch. You value yourself and sabotage your people. Don't mind some. Thank you. Can you open? What's the door? Thank you. Come on, Kayala ko 2006 no kella. Kayala ko yai. Kambo ko this is a 1402 8th Avenue 13th Street, Brooklyn, New York. When he was in Queen Cooney Hair Salon in 8th Avenue and Frederick Douglass African Hair Brady. Queen Cooney African Hair Brady in 2006. That's where I argue with General Watara. So since that then, when I move everywhere, okay, when you say 8th Avenue, there is a lot of bunches of 8th Avenue in New York City here in every town. Toutes les quartiers ont 8th Avenue ici. Bronx have 8th Avenue, New York have 8th Avenue, Queens has 8th Avenue, Brooklyn has 8th Avenue. Long Island State have 8th Avenue. They will say that you go to Geneva home, Geneva don't live, Geneva doesn't live in 8th Avenue. Geneva te loge 8th Avenue na kaso te ambep me salon mun kono no ye win kuni ka salon win kuni ye Burkina Faso ka kande ko alama ko ka salon. Okay? Asetu kon kuni salon dale. An ko me kuni digi salon ko ay nyoko soronki. O kera l'an 2006 san ba flani san woro. Buka yala yala o kuma na Amerique de una le go kella ni en to ko ma da ko ba o biye de fara Geneva o kuma Geneva ba ko san joni baya o be Geneva ba me furu ba to man ka te me joni ba o be Geneva fa me dembar ka ma o ka te me joni ka ba si ka be Geneva ka teleke ka yo na su meta ka banda na se no ko la se bule garadi ore bule bâtard là de malhonnête vous êtes toujours là quelque chose quelqu'un dit ça quelqu'un dit ça je dis ce que je veux je ne perds de personne est-ce que tu comprends voilà les vidéos vanille sana ka bang mena fo alright mena ko tara juge mana won ko ne ko kera juge wo ma ko ne kera juge fini mo kumene kana ne ka soutenir si fini ne ka garande ya shopping to ko yira mo ko yo juge ka fini o ne ko ya garande fini okay ni kla liga école supérieure la ibe fini do ka soutenir si kore yango garande ya shopping fini mo ko ne ko kera juge ko igalo kera mena kabiri sa nan 2010 ne ka garande ya shopping kara ne ma garande to ne nete ko mita ka juge mana ko ni mo ko ke la ka ko ni ko mita la juge nete bara yere la ese to kompara dota wal salon ka alfa fula ko ene ka salon nu ta kara ka to kundi mu ni salon tigi kele nu ni salon tigi kele mu ta ka ko lu ne kele ko kele ka ni kele kele man awuro ki anana ko wuro ki anana kele la ne ma ko kundi gida jara salon tigi ka salon tigi yere lu kundi mu kele ko kundi kele salama ka salon ko na nu kele wani salama shop. She fight with the girl. She says she will call the police. Arahin sharp. She fight with the homosexual. She says she will call the police, and they say they fight with me. I don't even. I'm not afraid of them. Fuck you, bitch, motherfucker. I used to own the shop in Peoria, Illinois. This is a Brooklyn. I never owned the shop in Brooklyn. I own the shop in Peoria, Illinois. And they be saying that the Peoria, Illinois is a United States. All right, it's a 4 hour from Chicago. This motherfucker is not the same. Inclusive people shop and fight with them and say, I'm not afraid of you. Especially this girl. They be saying that she urine herself. They be saying I be urine myself and I wear the pamper. I say, I don't collect disability. She's the one who collect disability. Okay?